Hello and welcome to Love British English. Today I want to teach you 5 phrasal verbs that are commonly used in British English. These will help you sound more like a native. If you're looking to boost your vocabulary and improve your overall speaking skills, I think this lesson is for you. So let's get started. First, we have the phrasal verb to drop off. To drop off. This means to deliver or take something or someone to a specific place. For example, tomorrow I have to drop my husband off at the airport. It means that I need to take or drive my husband to the airport. But instead of using take and drive, we often say drop off. Do bear in mind that like many things in English, the phrasal verb drop off does have another meaning. If somebody or yourself drops off, it can be an animal as well. It means that they have fallen asleep. Okay, so if your dog has fallen asleep or your children have fallen asleep, you can say they've dropped off. Okay, they've fallen asleep. Another very common phrasal verb in British English that we use all the time is to sort out. To sort out. This can mean to organize something or to resolve an issue, a problem. So when it comes to organizing, we could say, I need to sort out my kitchen. It means I need to organize my kitchen. It's a mess, okay? And I need to sort it out. If we're talking about resolving an issue or a problem, we could say, I had an issue with my computer and I've sorted it out now. So I've fixed the problem, I've fixed the issue, I've sorted it out. Just like the previous phrasal verb to drop off, sort out also has another meaning, this time slightly more negative. If we say that we are sorting someone out, it means that we are attacking them or punishing them for their bad behavior. So if I say to you, has he been bothering you? Do you want me to sort him out? It means, has he been bothering you? Do you want me to punish him, to sort him out, to punish him? But of course, this is a bit violent and we don't want to do that. Another common phrasal verb is to give up. To give up. If you are giving up on something, it means that you are trying to stop doing something that is proving to be difficult for you. Let's say that you're learning English. You could say, I nearly gave up learning English, but I'm glad I didn't. Okay, you didn't give up, you didn't stop, which is very good. And to give up can also be used for habits that you might have, such as drinking or smoking, eating certain things, or maybe partying. So if you've stopped smoking, you could say, I gave up smoking. Or if you don't want to drink alcohol in the future, you could say, I want to give up drinking alcohol. Another phrasal verb that I hear all the time and that I use quite a lot is to put up with. To put up with. We can put up with someone or with something. It means to tolerate someone or something. It's usually used in a more negative context. Here's an example. I personally don't like mess. So if my house is not clean and it's a mess, I could say, I can't put up with this mess anymore. I need to clean the house right now. It means I can't tolerate the mess. I can't put up with the mess. And if we talk about putting up with someone, it's usually to do with their behavior. We could say, she's so moody. I don't know how her husband puts up with her. It means that we don't know how her husband tolerates her behavior. And lastly, we have the phrasal verb to get by. To get by. If you are getting by on something, it means that you are managing or dealing with a difficult situation with limited resources or minimal resources. So here's an example. Students get by on very little money. It means that students don't have much, but they manage to survive. So they get by on very little money. And in my case, for example, my husband and I have one car, but we both drive. But we manage to get by on one car. It would be nice to have two, but we get by on one. And that's it for today. Go down in the comment section and give me some example sentences. I'll check them to make sure that you're using them correctly. And if you can use them in your speaking, you will definitely sound like a native. And if you've enjoyed this lesson, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.